Hey everybody, we're going to do a quick assembly tutorial on the Harbor Freight motorcycle lift. This is the one that carries about 1,000 pounds. Item number, if you could see that, item number 68892. Pretty nice unit. I've seen a lot of these on YouTube, so I figured I'd pick one up and see if I can't use it to help me build my motorcycles. So let's get started. Alright, let's see what we can do. Let's get rid of this first. Okay. Instructions. We'll need that. Start laying this stuff out. Boy, looks like it's almost all the way assembled anyway. Not a whole lot to do to it. So the wheel just slides right over that post, right? You want to just stick the washer on like that. Put your little cotter pin right in the hole. Give her a little bend. And there you have it. That sucker ain't coming off. And we're going to do the front wheels, and we're going to go right here. Start with this one. Get all the hardware off of it. Okay. We want to get that sucker just in like that. So we got one, another flat washer, lock washer on top of that, and a nut. And repeat. Plug them on real quick. Get you an open end wrench for the bottom and a socket for the top. Are on, man. Look at that. Okay, let's see what Harbor Freight and the manufacturer of this recommends to do next. So, this panel. Ramp has got these spring clips. I'm not sure if you can see these. Right here. Pop those suckers off. And that's it. And then you slide it over, drop it in. these heavy bolts here, regular washers, lock washers, and then you got the nuts, and that'll secure the front stop, the front tire stop on the front of the lift. An idea. Got two pieces here. It's got a little angle here. It's gonna slide right into here. Just like that. And then this adjusts it to pinch your tire. Got our two pedals. Okay. So these two pedals go on here. Simple as that. 1 and 2. And this raises her up. And we've got the locking bar here. The locking bar simply goes right like that. And then you can let it down. And that sucker's solid. Piece of cake. Well, as fast as that was, had a lot of fun. Now I get to work on the bike. Some of the upgrades that they talked about were, you know, changing out the wheel lock, even upgrading some of these. So these are going to go here for your tie downs to hold the bike in place. And then some people say that when you drive the tire up, it kicks this panel up. So what I might do is, just like they did, is put some sheet metal screws through here and lock that in place. 2 would be enough, and then that's it. So let's do some of that work and see how far we get. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a couple of sheet metal screws here. This is what I'm going to use. You don't need anything fancy. I got a 3/4 inch number 10 sheet metal screw. Looks kind of like that there. That's plenty of thread to actually get both plates, top plate and bottom plate. And I'm just using a drill bit roughly the size of the tip of that. So all I got here is a 3/16 drill. That's what we use. Whoa, baby, bring on. Let's lock one in. Done. That sucker ain't going nowhere. Now let's take care of these. Looks like it's a 14mm. Just simply take the bottom 2 off, drop it in. Tighten it up without dropping your crap. my friends, is done. All I'm doing here is I'm just locking these feet down so it doesn't take off on me when I drive the bike up. There you have it. Beautiful. Yeah, check this out. I got it locked down with the straps. I could rock it around, and this is pretty stable.
There's a whiskey mirror in my glass, a reflection that keeps on calling back, and it's poured from a bottle that holds my past. A funk drunk feeling of everlast, but it'll never last, and I need some cash. Help me forget my bitter past. I get whiplash as I turn my head to see a mirage in a bottle where my demons clash.
Perfect. Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update. I want to say first, thanks for watching the video. We're about 2.5 months in after the build, and this thing is still going really strong. It's a great little motorcycle stand. Super durable. I mean, this thing don't move. I trust it like crazy. It's done really well for me so far, and I anticipate it's going to continue doing really well for me too. So. Hey, if you like this video, just do me a favor, go ahead and give me a thumbs up for it. Go ahead and subscribe to see some of my future videos that are coming up. And as always, thanks again. Thank you very much for watching.
Funk drunk, refuse like an Alice gon' get drunk. And baby, you and me can bump funk drunk. And try to water like ships on, get drunk and get funk.